Osa you me Yahim no way Eke nana sweni moge tanya Lukene wetolo no Kenya
Osa you me Yahim no way Eke nana sweni moge tanya Lukene wetolo
Baba you me Yahim no way Enya no lisi proto panelenge Jere wekenya o
Osa you me Yahim no way Eke nana sweni moge tanya Lukene wetolo
Enyane Bia uwae Ewe ireki Ogogo ireki Nuya mwenene o Nujale inelele ya
Share this video. Adulterous issue is back.
Eki ireki Obieki tagi ireki
Sure.
Nujalele Nuyale inelele lawabo Owana na nyolebu Kede kita Egi lodu jale Nuna mi amamano sabu jana o Egi dege no mi ayade o Baba yume Ya yu no webe Eke nana sweni oge donya Jere weke ya o
Osa you me Yahim no way Eke nana sweni moge tanya Lukene wetolo
Osa yume o Ya yu no webe Eke nana sweni oge donya Lukene wetolo no kenya
Osa you me Yahim no way Eke nana sweni moge tanya Lukene wetolo
Wage no legia Olene kita Anaya de yogoto Ogoto no wa de limi Same wa bo esute Eyenya ye ka de gele ya No webe de kiana ewe Eziane Ni wina nemu Meni no kweyo Bena ya de yuje Ukutu ma yewe ma Ebe no le yewe no bewe Eyenya ye na de gele ya No munya ne no Osa you me o Yahim no webe Eke nana sweni moge tanya Lukene wetolo no Kenya
Osa you me Yahim no way Eke nana sweni moge tanya Lukene wetolo Neno mo papa no lolita Enye ni ti egbe o Agwa o Enye ga 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 Eyin no mo mi ego mefi Iligi agbe Osa you me la Yahim no way Ke nana sweni moge tanya Lukene wetolo Enye na suma popo Yago mi yete no ma ko meje Opona ga media Unaja pena Meriki amu Oya wasani medio Meriki agbe Uri me wera muelia Sidama pape Ana bioba Eye mi no na wo mo Si awon pape na na wa bioba Sawake genonu Okale na kiloka Osa you me Yahim no way Eke nana sweni moge tanya Lukene wetolo
Yetore o No kere nya ni kurekia Yetore no kere no mi eso mo pobeku Yetore no kere nya ni no manje ya Enya no mi eso mo pobeku Ero sanya kiongwa o
Osa you me Yahim no way Eke nana sweni moge tanya Lukene wetolo
no Kenya
Osa you me Yahim no way Eke nana sweni moge tanya Lukene wetolo
Share this video.
Her Majesty. You buy it, buy the next six. Un nuevo nombre. Estamos un nuevo nombre. Cuando un nuevo nombre.
make na give.
No day. Na go make na do. No day.
Ni ya make na do.
Na go make na do. Ni ya make na do. No day. No day. No day. No day go go. Agabagebe. How can we in us? Obrigado.
How
we in us? All we in you. Who may I say? Who may you also? Who may I say? Who may you know? Jamiji, brother, Sama Destito. Where you made a vote? Who am your cackling? Where I went. Genesis Kilo and Genesis number 1. Stop Majesty! Wait. Number 1. Genesis. Stop Majesty. You got the baddest.
Dito pete. Momo ke nyamo.
Owo etu agbe.
Momo ke nyamo.
Any dog. Any dog is any dog. Sister. Oh, yeah, toi.
Momo.
Any dog. Come on. You can't go well. Say, brother, I don't know. Bayo.
Oh, no, I don't trust walking on that. Walking on that, she. We are going to go. Who we must go? I'm not going to doggy. Sister, no, kanya mo eh. Wa kero ta juwe. La majesty wa toradia. Wa to. Abi ne kai. Wala wa tebi no. Yeah. If you don't want to make guy.
Yakpolo wele loro wangi na mienya yakpolo wele loro because of unyine we mawate muya gbondia all fear no born adza we severio, and that is the reason why the very first day I enter live video there was no time when I look you say you be person, because I can't see and say Obazolu, now.
One day, you know, we are going somewhere.
My people, I can't see and say when I enter live video, this woman, we are there no go because I want to stay for my husband's house. I love my husband. I must have been do adulterous case. Adulterous case not be waiting, not be children food now. One man no dear. Even adulterous you okay by a car. Why you said to okay genatana and now genatagata? Why you said to a now at one no yet law? Why you said to a right now right away? I they ask you. Come tell us. Because based on what you talk, you say adulterous case where they your hand. Now your mouth to take talking. Why your puppies, all your people where business they around you, all of them, where the GBC, in Winekia, ja oge agbadafia ekiawa elsalo buavo.
Yes, my lovely people, I greet you all with that channel. Good morning, good afternoon, depends on wherever you are watching this video from. As you all know, this is from Victor Umewan, one of the universe, the social media king, the social media kubara, the social media boy baba with the smart. Now play. I just do my drink. I want you. Yes. Oh, I thought there. You see this whole scenario of this saga where they go on for social media soon. It go shock many people. Say why you not Tagata matter come out again. You understand? Uga benjamana efia hu enyani maiwu obi yiro. You understand? It's going to take time. Saga will not end well. It's going to take time. You go still resurrect again. But for me, I decided to keep calm, to pin down, you know, just let it slide. I leave one for the family. Why I leave Wagrotata now one so? When I know say Wagrotata matter, they don't reason why this matter. I go to drag Wagrotata and Monica for this matter. I go to drag them. I'm not talking. You know what? One of the legit with proof, authentication proof of adulterous issue where I don't ever fight against for this media. Which the whole world do not be only abroad, the whole world go reach Benin, go reach palace. They know of Waginotagata. Oviero Nurubi. They know of the adulterous issue. On Benin, the whole world know. One of the most legit proved of adulterous since 2021, where I don't ever fight for this media. Now this same woman, Waginotagata, Ovia Lagbi, Ovie Mama Roma, Otie Princess by birth, Otie Joy Large. Now in our own case, now legit, but you know why? The husband family came out categorically to speak for my platform, narrate the evil deed of this woman, the adulterous lifestyle of this woman. Not just only that, this woman adulterous issue has been brought to Eddie Murphy several times. Eddie Murphy collected bribe from this woman and kept quiet. When I hear on social media from the family mat, they were thinking, expecting Eddie Murphy to boss this woman all these years. He never talked about it because they always have their way out. These are mamas, women of substance, women will get cultists, will get kofra, will get assassin, will actually assassin people for Benin. Unfortunately, the issue now come to the king of social media, the Otutu no one idea in your himself, and I have to deal with this woman radically, mercilessly, without no mercy, because he not get money. Now the abroad you did, I mean, you not feed me for abroad. Now man put you for house, just the way I put you for house. So I don't get the bill say you go feel bribe me. You don't get money. Ask your sister. Ask your elder sister. She go tell you say, men were not the same person money. Ask her. She go tell you the reason why I born her. Now me boo your sister. I know they get time for women matter we not get we not clear. When I say your way not clear, will boost leave you. Because all when all the yarn anyway they ask you. This same woman, the husband, brothers, sisters, they call on my platform. They narrate the evil of this woman towards their brother, Brett in Naruna. I'm talking about a Naruna family. This woman was asked to come home and take an oath according to custom and tradition, which she promised to do so by December 2022. But at the end of this woman went to Nigeria, bribed some of the elders, fought some of the youths of a Nauna family. When the real overall senior from the family, the number one in charge of the family of Inauna, asked this woman to come home and take the necessary oaths, this woman ran to UK. She decided to say, for she to take oath, she better end the marriage. Even in that family, she confessed that really a man slept with her inside the car. But Brett's mother was aware. The late mother of Brett. Person will not buy use and do. You see like this that one. He said that one was aware. That one said problem not do. How this woman was rich. All this, a lot of this evil I'm talking about. Monica Atuari, who is the wife of Alemioron Ambrose, he was aware. She was aware of all these issues. These are the things she hold for these women. That she hold them hostage. Whenever she needed something, these women are always there to give her in thousandfold. For them, for their secret not to be exposed. Numerous of them like that. Who is the cage of Monica. By the special grace of God, you all are testimony. You can give the testimony of women about GPC. How many of them have rescued from that cage and are free today. They can even go on live video and do videos freely. They can do their thing normally. They were a member of GPC, but today they are living freely in that same UK, even though some of them don't even do okay. You understand? Now, this issue lie low all this while. Why did this issue lie low? Brett and Nauna mothers, the land that woman has, she sold it to traffic Brett to UK, expecting Brett to build on that land. Unfortunately, Brett got to UK with this wife, started building house for the wife, refused to build house for the mother until the mother gave up the ghost. Now, the family now come together. If you want us to stop this fight, if you want Frank Victor to stop this fight, you have to start building house for our late mother. And behold, Brett, which is Waginotagata, started building house for her husband late murder because of a duchess issue. For me to keep quiet, not to speak further. And some of the family members came to me and begged me to please, I should cease fire so that Wagino Tagata can build that house completely. You understand? Really, I have to pipe low. I pipe low so that Wagino, and she really started building. She did the foundation. I was aware. I saw everything. Share this video. That was the reason why I kept mute. Tell Wagino, sit down. I know say you did here. Sit down. Make you listen as well. This is like I leave you all this while. As you use your hand, come out now. This time and that now, not be the family, not be your husband family bring you come again. Now you use your hand, carry yourself, come out. That's why this saga go sweet, because nobody will tell me to stop. Everything we have first flog you last time. You see my phone, I never delete them. Starting from the pay show. Starting from the pay show till now, everything was intact. I do my drink. I want you. So, this issue not come up again. How does this issue come up? Through Wagino Tagata and Monica, the godmother. Wagino Tagata sold a house in Igwikbi. Area where the rich, now only can pay the rich side. If you get for Igwikbi, they drag the park on that mango tree. Government not reach that side. That side now minus Benin. Government no see that side they would exist for Benin. Not that side, that region, not the Benin map. Where our state governor go, who say they go work for that side. No. They just an abandoned projects. And they tell us so. See, this is where they talk. So they Benin. They watch what they talk. Which governor don't work for Igwikbi once? Since Igwikbi don't exist. With them right up for comment section. Obaseki just come out. Obaseki not even know. Obaseki never know who I carry that side. Ordinary I can want to do self. Agbe Zabakuiva. No talk of Igwikbi. A government power no Igwikbi. But here have vote. Here Igwikbi have vote. Here I go election. Here I go the vote. They can go to Igwikbi. Why didn't Wagino Tata Buwaji? Where you see that's the area where you see I'm let's go be home. Wagino Tata senior sister build orphanage home there too. Anything where they talk to my legit one, they know. Madam, I'm not going to that calendar to the house. Saga the Mahia, Saga and Emma Yaki. If I can worry what he did. Now, there's a reason why I want to play this particular video where I paused just now for now. Why I want to play this video? When Wagino Tagata do video the house which she sell. Send that to Monica Atuari, aka Dido Bete. Dido Bete came out categorically using that video to insult me. These same people, when they crash all these puppies, they were all aware, they kept mute. They do like they're not here. They kept mute. For real. I did a video that say, I dey come for Wagino Tagata, but I never get your time. Let me do my findings first. When I'm done with my findings, I will knock on your door. You understand? Who they knock for my door? Ko. Now, I don't do my findings. I don't get all my proof, my legit information. That was what the part one of this video where I do. I give you people the reason why Wagino Tagata sold a house. And because there was no road. If you go Nigeria, now Kakena Pay Park, now they park up put. They tread, they go. Sometimes Kakena Pay will carry they go house. They don't see road, enter drive, enter house. What's the need? They build house, no road, no house. But now the inheritance. That's what you must build. You must build house put for near Weka Road. Now wharf him. And that slope. all the water where they come from a go. From a go market, what are they? From a go market, all the water where they come from a go market, all the water they come from Tisha Sass, from Tisha Sass, Use Market Junction, Park on. All of them they come Eweka side, straight down slope there. Some go divert. When they come for Testame Road, they come down to Ogida police station, can reach, what they call the Tisha Sass. You go squat for that Tisha Sass where they say, where lucky say mommy water there. But to somebody call the mommy water there. Now no one that year. You know the area where they talk so for those who do Ogida, they go who see. We know where they talk so. Now, in your own house now, erosion do me well. That was the reason why this woman said that house. But when they want come media, they want come paint town for media. Things say they want come humiliate me or humiliate your husband brother, Mr. Christopher. You understand? They don't know so that they are safe. Now herself, she want to drag that again. She not fear. She could do video. Give Monica. When Monica used to insult me, I could use her to cover eye. I said, let me see if that's reality. That one did one side. Stupid of Monica. Monica come out. I can tell one of France, they do video. Sylvia will not get sense. Sylvia, young girl, will call herself young girl. According to herself, she be young girl. They put you for a house. Man, you can't greet your boyfriend. He put you for a house, be for his house. Leave you. Go marry grandmother. May you days house, they wash ground. They wash house. They clean house, wait for the boyfriend. If they go, they marry grandmother. They go do marry with grandmother. Shame not catch you because why? It be a game way. To talk with Ghana, where Kokobiri does for France. No level. You don't ask yourself, why this man don't marry you as young as you are? You when it's supposed to be proud of say, Frank, go marry small girl, fine, sexy, fine girl. You go marry. They don't marry you as you find rich. As upon all the iPhone beauty camera where they use to put picture on Facebook. Okay, fine, good. I agree, you fine. With all your beauty, with all your standing breasts, sister, I don't want to see your mommy. Boy, leave you for his house. Go marry Imama. Ije. Ije. You go pay bride price for the day. You day inside the boy room. Not be say you day your house now. You can't hear for information. They can't go to say your boyfriend don't go marry woman. You call the paro. No. You deal with the boy for house. In your presence. The boy there your house. You did the boy house. The boy carry back, carry everything. Come on, go marry, go do marriage. And you still get the girls to come and call the talk. You are so shameless. You are so shameless. You be dirty. You are the most dirtiest woman you can ever think of. If as young as you are, man dump you for inside your room, go marry grandmother. And you still get mad. You see on family, you want to be for family. Go see your sister. Your sister be like ball when they put it in play hazard. That one I'm not seeing the sequel. Facebook they give her hope because husband don't go work, children don't go to school. Loneliness. Loneliness kill faster than HIV. If they worry your sister for say, "Has imagine why you do?" Or what going on? You know so that it's now cause they worry also. The time I go tell no. Now RIP. I just did here. That one come out for Monica platform because Monica is looking for followers. Now money they find. I not blame you. Everybody talk for the matter. Anyhow you take talk for the matter, it's not my business. Now you have my business when you still so low. Can they insult more? Me will be the man will fuck woman. For my own household, my own dobe. I do space of my room. Buy food stock, keep my room. Babe, buy ticket, come back. I buy ticket for gate, take fly back again. Then you come to insult me, put on with my spam where I pour for the girl body. I still manage the flat bobby. I don't care. You don't see anything bad for what the girl do. No. The same girl where they compute evil. The same girl where they record all her friends, they give me make and they blast them. You don't come to saga level as stupid as man be. The reason why I don't go far. Now only low life depressed people, now they patronize now. Now they encourage you for my videos. Reasonable men and women out there. go sit down, watch this scenario with the episode. They go no see. They go say, go thank your God because you carry grace. This kind of woman is a bad person. You come out categorically. You started the true math. You started the insult.
You people should listen and listen good. If you are there, I love social media so much. That is why social media, bring. You understand me? That is why a lot of them today, where they say that they do adulterous, they do well. Even though you be social media influencer, even though you be social media viewers, even though you be social media, what say they call them again? You be social media commenter. You be social media I not like social media. You on your own. That day is coming when you are doing this. Your husband family is coming the way they testify of Genotarata today.
Okay.
Your husband family is coming to test.
So your husband family is coming. The way they testify, the husband family of Waginotata testify against Waginotata on how she commit adulterous. Now, you see one thing about social media all this so. Money they find. Not the reason why I not push me wish and not feel for. With the reason why I not say Monica not feed. Monica feed the whole world. It's not my business. But the truth of Monica not fit talk to tell the whole world. Now me they talk so. If Monica are the richest woman for the whole world and she stands on the saying the lies, we will still be done. That is very dark one for you. You understand? Very dark one not fit the video the guy money pass him. Make it not tell the video the truth. Or because they didn't a friend, make it not tell the video the truth. You understand? Very dark one not say Polo get money pass him, but he not say Polo because Polo get money, make it not tell the truth. Iyabojo get money, make it not tell Iyabojo the truth. He not say because almost a friend get money, make it not tell the truth. Monica might be richer. To hell with the money Monica gets. Who send the money? Ask for this media. Ask go on. Thank God she use that one talking. If Monica I don't see one cent of Monica. No. Ask both Monica and all followers like Ivie. If I don't chop one of their cents, now then they feed from me. Now they feed from me. Because I'm a father to all. I not get Monica feed me, but I feed in puppies. If you don't know, I make you know. I feed in children. Now grace. I not get to. But if we get, you know they give. The people we give to. All of them come bitter for this media. People we give to. But in children, in puppies, now me they feed them. If they need help, now me they cry. Me they go leave Monica, they'll cry, come with me. Because I know say I pass Monica. In all of the future of life. Now the UK. You the UK, you not the UK. Nonsense. Now see one thing where you don't understand. All these puppies of Monica's, when they make noise today, when they cry like chicken, we're not well. And they're not saying nowhere. Because they have been brainwashed. That truth Monica not get to talk. Now I take get money pass her. That truth now I take better pass Monica. I not come here to call the lie against them. Because everything way they do now they talk. Una when they clap on the follow and they make conversation, they feel relevant. Una know the truth. The day we go knock for our door, all of them come tell them the truth. You wait the right for here. You want them closer to Monica, maybe they closer to Monica, like Boss Lady one of UK. And they ask you, today where is Boss Lady one of UK? The Yagbe of GPC, where is she today? She's saved. She don't deliver herself. She don't flew for Monica. She's doing her own thing and she don't want wahala. You were the right, so you want the clean pass, you want you close, maybe you close Monica, it's like Ukinebo. Today where's Ukinebo? Ukinebo is safe. She's free. She don't flew come on for una demonic gang. You go fit support Monica reach the way Kinebo was supporting Monica. If I did beat Monica like this, all of them they against me then, including Kinebo, including my boss lady. You get we all women were all against me. To the extent you gang up on how to bring Ojuju for me, on how to go and leave my father's house to go arrest me, to go arrest my family for house. Wait till you not do. After stuff done of my they confess, they send me all your write-up in your GPC gang association. But at the end of the day, I still remain women, and you all still come down to believe, say, yes, and the truth I tell now. You people were the first person who go give me iron paper. Fauci Road, Okbaga, when I go bring iron paper, it's still on my phone. At the end of the day, it turns upside down. Me when I'm something I go so for. Now Monica and the children they call it so for. The video. The Obogon come and say, I am sorry. It may have got Doleboki. They come and say, apologize. Monica did that. You see all of them will be puppies. Some of them are hungry people because of bag of rice. What did the chef on? One couple of the chef on. When I'm a buagoto. When the boom for the buagoto because of that busy. But that's not a problem. We will just keep on advising people. That's not my father. Now, the same person who is saying that God daughter to Monica. Because you see they want to grow their page. They don't do all manner of things to grow page. Page no go, no come. Couples. They forget the atrocity done before. Now they carry person matter for her like Hagala. I did this live video, now they do video. Monica Puppies, they here, they watch me. Monica Puppies sit down, they watch. The one where they crazy inside will comment, go insult me, I go block them. The one where not they crazy, go just sit there, go watch because you know if men when they give out the truth, nothing but the truth. They know. I will be on live video like this. You go see Monica Puppies, they packed come here. I was not even supporting Monica. And they beat person when we say, if they beat Monica, all Monica Puppies go pack food here. Especially constant. With Monica, one of the Monica blogs, big blog. She goes sit down here, they pack videos. Because she knows say, oh, men when they talk truth. The puppies where they insult me today, you can never see that woman for their platform. You can never see that woman for their platform. Put love or like or there or share their videos. Common sense is not common. Even for this media, this one, some people don't see get sense. They consider they be bloggers, they be live video presenters. Monica Puppies will never sue. They go dead live, they go straight in the next morning for live video. 3 people go watch them for them. Husband and wife, they go they talk like fool. What thing they never do for media? They don't tire apart do video. Go no go, come no come. They don't go to work for streets. Go no go. Nobody agree watch. There are some skin you will see. It will attract you. If the person they talk rubbish, you're not just listening to the rubbish, but the skin then you just like. Because of the skin, you watch the person. There are some people, either you like these people because of the husband, or you like these people because of the wife. But the funniest part of it all, the both couples are so useless that you know when people see one thing pick for their body. You know when people see one thing pick for their body. You go see Papa, you know go know who be picking or who be Papa. It's what they say height. You don't even know who be picking. We don't even know who be picking with the Papa. With their small short hand. When they go sit down there, they talk. Hey, who be all these people? When these people will take guesses, everybody they marry, I want marry. They want marry. They want marry. They want marry. It is not every man that marry wife or house is man enough to control that home. I don't mind drink. A boss is always a boss. Only listen to this video. This is video where we say they beat their so-called grandmother woto. They beat her as to Bruno. Même on can carry picky go give her Wahala. Now here the dragon. Carry J-Boy go give the owner of J-Boy. Carry J-Boy go give the owner of J-Boy. The difficult. Why the whole scenario they sweet me say Monica knows that and they tell her the truth. Now she by herself even mentioned a few days ago say she had seized the secretary of adulterous women. Automatically she knows that she's adulterous. She has committed adulterous. You feel me so? Today all these tortoises they call they insult me. You get what the person don't big pass. The funniest part is that when they insult me, the married woman when we present her, they comment for them. When you know say your husband has gone on the work. The same people, the same couple, you be one go fuck her before. If not for God, we say the wife come to the house. You say you want to go lodge, no, you go lodge for hotel. I don't want to mention your name. You get why. But very soon, I will drag you out. You know yourself. You don't for me to adultery before they carry your matter from before. They still beg me say we can leave you. Solo no fuck you before. Solo fuck you. They beg me say we can leave you. You dear husband house, you go nyash solo because of Facebook. You dear husband house, you go nyash solo because of Facebook. Your mother come and lock up. Because then solo they fake account. I never did react. I don't know. I don't see you reface that time. When you go nyash solozo, that's how I talk and reach. If I ready for now, all the way they load so, the way that they use my hand, one cost wala for myself so. If I ready for now, Bieka. I don't my drink. Out of your way. When I use my hand, it cause problem. Me, I don't marry. My wife love me so much. No matter the saga what I go do. Now I say on the phone because you poor once by puppies too. Laying down on my knees, eating from my knees, begging from my knees. That's what I be. That's what I be. You guys are not stable. The reason why you see I still remain stand no matter the talk on the top because why? I stand to be one man squad. I don't support anybody. I don't support any motherfucker for this video. I stand to be one man squad of social media, and that respect still stay with me to today. Nothing change. I'm not a supporter of my fellow presenters. If I call your platform, if I want to bless you, I give you star. If what you talk, they enter my ear, they sweet me, I will bless you with star. I'll come on there. I mean, if you talk rubbish, I'll come on for there, I'll move. I don't get that time, I'm not waste time. And I know now. Listen to yourself.
Of your own. If you don't know, make I first tell you first. Your husband family right now, oh God, is coming to testify of yours. Let me tell you, very important and important. Very important. Because any woman will be said they're not ready to stay one place. They're not ready to keep their toto for one place. They're not ready to respect waiting then go say yes, I will marry you where they go out for. The man where they because of a wrong go out, I want to tell people that are married. I want to tell people that are married on a wrong go out. Now go to marriage for altar. At the end, now go come from there, now go define another man, oh they waka.
Okay.
Una go define another man, oh they waka. Or that for why joge ya bekiage.
Okay.
Wana joge ya bekia. Kyok bagina tagata.
Okay.
Lare. This one a Wahala. Come. Oh, gena tagata day. If I bolawe, but when I love when I go, when I na ya go, when oh, salopo, mo go there.
Oh,
let's play this audio. This one first before we go for another one, because me I see no reason. Felicia no iga kia. Kia ga uhe ma ve okono la wozone okono la.
See, very quick one. This audio, na old audio, no, na old video. You go mention some people name when they know they play that time. I beg, more no vessel. Anybody when you mention his name, person like Felicia, Mr. Ajebo, more no verse. You understand? Me I will not get issue. We don't quarrel. Not my enemy. You understand? So now that they play. Anything where this are all this was what they talk. Now for you don't fit pass. We not be friend now. You understand? But the point where I want to bring out for here, be say the person where they chest bullet for today, what you do today, you are once telling her the truth. The same truth we are telling her now that you are engaged. And this is the reason why you can never grow. To grow on Benin Sabbath space right now is you must be consistent with what you are saying. You must be honest, be sincere, be punctual. That's the only way you can grow on Benin Sabbath space. You see that Gabagebe friendship just to see such a chop. You know they help. Now advice I don't come here because I got anybody. You know they help. So from the upset, you were sincere, you were truthful. It not work. You need to do a amount of things, do all this shit off amount of shit. At the end of the day, it not work. You decide to join one gang, still on still, it not work. Not be everybody get the grace to do live video. Some might just be a nuisance. Just to catch cruise. That's how it is. Let's go there.
Zoneo, married woman, see me see married woman, I be oh. Married woman for that matter. See married woman, oh Jesus is Lord, oh. Make una see married.
This abroad now, one can you get to for she abroad here they change me for women. Now go help us.
I'm not looking for you. Look who I'm looking.
No, not blame them.
Yes. Is that true?
Possible to grow.
Emma no. Okay. We don't need to worry ourselves. Facebook, I don't get tired to use that do. I they run for social media. See, huh?
The great mayor, I must greet you.
The social media where you they run for now, now you come they open the anyash. We there is our ass, but now it's our ass we there. Where God said they expose all of them. God said they expose all of them. From the beginning, go reach the hands. Because he don't start for Atuari body for a very long time. He don't start. Una think say na Atuari say na Benin man na he marry, as he married that riba boya.
Huh?
Una think say it was na Benin man that woman marry. Everything for never open. Una think say Benin they tolerate nonsense like that. Some people go just come and Benin not get tradition. Who tell you say Benin not get tradition?
Okay.
Benin get tradition if you not know. Not be this the same man. When you know say woman where he carry him money come on go marry put for us. Woman where you carry you marry and you put for us. Now you go carry your woman they go break. You go carry her. You go carry and go wait for the do road work. Huh? You go carry and go give another man make they do squagwara.
Why do not
carry and come make the where the do bagara and finish. You still go there. You go carry and
come. You don't forget it.
You Benin man, now they do this thing. Okay. When you know say you marry your wife put for house. Now what do you want for yourself? Now you get.
Okay. Bright, you hear that? Bright, in Auna. Yeah. What do you carry why they go hustle?
What do you want for yourself? Now you get. At the end now, that the same woman now, if you not put medicine for your mouth, you not go feel sleep with her for inside bed.
Yeah.
Then why ya joge ya mwe ikbiari Maria. Oko no ri we ne. Who marry? Who marry never? Yeah, this man don't marry you for us. Either good or bad, you know, enjoy. Either good or bad, you know, say, I no go feel enjoy, make I go. You go make another woman enter house. For you, where you are jogging, ya gbomani wa. No jogging, ya gbewa. No jogging, ya mwezag mwe ya ria.
Yeah.
At the end now, ko. Epa gbeso we decide them down. Epa social media. Ugbeso eroma ukin. Uve side them nema.
Yeah.
Oh my women now ever since.
Okay.
And you did. You heard it since. You hear everything. You know it happen. Everything there your pan.
Okay.
You not bring and come out because umano wet to ekwa.
You hear that?
Umano wet to ekwa. You keep it to yourself.
I don't mind drinking.
Okay, now, mo can talk the real matter now. Where do I tell me no matter what do I hear me you way? Mana. Oh, see a beka, you are no matter no go one do a go one. If when you have my weapon, there is something I come across on social media.
Okay.
It's also like, yeah, you are welcome, my lady. Thank you so much. Welcome, please. Like that's for Italy.
You hear them? Opakara. GPC Ekia Magwalo. GPC Ekia Magwalo.
You understand me? For UK, this woman has to have a post in it come across where social media the fake.
Oh, the middle of me.
Can't. And I come across it. Your post there, your manager, or wait for life, you know, when you might beg your money, I forgive you, or when no matter what you did, or wait for life, you know, you forgive you, many were being setting the best one cool, many a minurita, where to do me, or give my Epa, use their wisdom where I say, man. You understand? They said many are called, few are choosing. If I know when and the ruda room pan we are give the apology on we are okay, we say or forgive them whatsoever. No don't feel what money I accept you where. No where don't feel what money I don't take you as person. Because I'm move button for long time, the time no time. Stand on your truth, stand on your lane, stand on your rights. It's a my way because this thing. I'm so ashamed when it be a cool. I will never be happy over this. I have to tell you this truth. Truth have to be said. You know that this thing has been going on since, and finally, not say no. Where since women were as the father, you kept it to yourself. Okay, no problem, right? We keep any book when a problem it all. Since I'm very here, Matani Ladian. Okay, one no guayo, Umano guayo, je biegbe, no agay. So, my Buru no so go away. Anyone that called you to say, Epa Lao, stop it, Frank. Epa Lao, guajo. Tell that person, let the other come from above. How I not tell about Zagba? When not tell about Zagba, who not give you money now? Then they talk and they go say they give you money. You see? Who you not even call you now say you be a pa, you be, you know, at the end that one where come where on my beggar where a follower so get my beggar where I have to tell you the truth. Right now, right away, past social media, you are not looking for viewers, you are not looking for waiting, you are not even looking for money. Emi ya gwe wepa, we me na emi ya gwe na. Emi ya gwe wepa, but in am domie. We own the Biakaka do Yaku, which is very bad. No, bolo gueco, not bolo guhe. Of your man social media, no what the Ladiana, no quack bolo guhe. No man or Jay, never bolek, the Wagmo. Oh, we have all I come here, which is very bad. On any not banner, any no man, I'm not happy over it.
Better.
I'm not happy over it. A social media president. Because before to Enrique election all that time, we were aware Maya beg we are not soon. Maya we Maya professor. Yeah, bros, I did live video, I beg. Yeah, even I did live video. Get back to you later. we maya fefe awe maso na we mama sero when ya overnight election when the fair yasa we yemo bob election na efe ita we yemo bobo even me when on president or we yemo president ya we yemo bobo because on social media ni yen na gboyaje yen we bi ati ero ne we social media ro a president ro ne yemo ni ya jawo agboya semi ya edo ya gbita we awagbon ugegbe ma ya beg me ya no sunu right from the beginning to now you want to keep egbe we people that is respecting you if a party were ma ya no respect you ma ya no if we mani ya gere no to do mo ya ye be ya o so salo boa o je the standing we are with you 247. It may surprise when we ya do tell me so me ma understand also ni na tell na we pa matter where mana because of me go straight.
Okay.
O ma ne kan. O ma ne ma kan je ne ya gba lo. E dey me Facebook je. You understand? Why ya ne ya gba lo wan ne ma kan. We are talking about adulterous. E ma ni ma beg na we ma say ni ma beg. Ma ya ni social media na the people no gele social media adulterous people ni ma ona ga tu ari e felekia. Ma enya
Yaram.
Mayana, de me na ke ni mama giye.
Yaram.
So for that simple reason epa, no say ayati onuna onare, no ikanya bu we any yan we your bossy lo ni o. Stand for your lane so that me dey kai boya we yaku. Epa stand for your lane. La wo. Mu jaye lane we. Because a matter na. O salo bua do we ne ya do expose by the family calling. Let the family and my call waiting and one and na ya natana ge ata. Do I wait my ene ya gbalegbima which is that is very wrong. Iya ata we yan ma ya wa je na ya gbalegbia emi ni ya ma he but the family do open ya well adiana. Emi ya ma yi vele kwa. Emi ya vele kwa na. Kakabo. If you zonya mwe bogbe yono na kakabo.
Okay. We uta me we pay with 500 pounds. No pay divorce, no pay the I will call you when you tell me anything. I'm send divorce go.
Now, when I testify, you know, because the doctor that will tell you, he tell you when shame and disgrace, who brought it to have a program where they shame and disgrace never to lie. Okay, I wait. I not to take by where this woman is a real woman, a bonover. So if you tell you how to be a dog, if you don't get out of America, if you might bless me well, if you don't need, you told me it was a long way to me.
Kapala. At the moment I talk my platform so. Now the video we do. Now I'm nice so my enemy. At the moment we call in for that live video. We talk about where you know this one matter. Also this one the adulterous issue. How at the moment to collect 500 pounds.
Kasala, ex-boyfriend of Princess Abed.
I
pack and swear.
Hey, me do a tawaba. The sentient tawaba. A tawaba. A pipe with boy botonia now. One with boy botonia. Then you continue outside now. Eria here winning where ya. Okay, look at now. Look at. Umadame yo. A video ne Monica we know there. Umadame yo. Where Manuti or where a lot of them they are blocking you right now. Man, where you or where? Man, not you where this pipe. Or we are block you where? We na be lati ona be do ta me we are block you. Abi ya junu ya ha ma we are block you where? We are giving me ya ja we ya where matter Epa social media president. You are a father indeed. La wo. Ima na do me we at the end that we ni wa ha me ya sorry. The peace making na re. U wo offending ya o ya offending we Epa no ugbera kpo ni ne. Ugbera kpo ni ne. Aharu we o ike kenya ya adele jiwe ni ya adele jona. You have to sit down. Totally ya adele ya haru we. Oh we nya we ahe enege na he ya jogupu. Dumana ukpu o jogake. Ukpu ojo ogako ya samela diawake ake ye jogupu me mere mie dewe ake be gba be abi ogukpu ukpu almost jogako ya samela diawake ohun dumana nuwe Epa gbono maga ise ewi ga ika dere we tota adu aseto e bakarugwe understand do many things ukunya wa when we tota adu ire ya adele second weje. Okay, when we are mutia, when we are ye matana from the beginning pa or mazeyo, I take a mere woman can go for the first time. Maybe we're no do yas one. Umagwayo say, I'm not the mere with the car gear.
I greet you all with better start water radio. You see this like no balance. I just want to play this video. This video long. I'm laughing today. Then I plan to pause. I still continue again. Because I gave it a go. Now, you see, this social media, when you see so, if you look at these people, they are looking for attention. This is what we call attention seeker. They go this side, no work. They come this side, no work. They go here, no work. They stay here. It not still work. Enogi when they beat today, Enogi was one of their besties. Enogi was one of their besties. Oh, you know, Richard Nozu and Mani Wayasi was one of their besties. But today they beat Richard. Now me they want to beat. But I'm not going to say what they talk to me. No. Before now, I don't know who they be. That's why they call. I feel like I'm recording. Yes. If they call me out of live video, I got to record them. If I did live video, they call me and go pick up, put on speaker. You understand? I'll put on speaker. The husband, the woman, where you want to go, the woman where the husband has, now still live video presenter. Where be your girlfriend? Where be say your husband go on the walk? Now your wife is settle them. Now your mama now collect the husband bola. I never want cast now. Your mother-in-law collect your husband bola. Your daughter, husband collect bola. Can't tell the world as they watch this video. When I can't tell the world. Not the presenter where they talk to. Not the live video presenter where they talk to. For a few months, the woman come burn you. Not call they follow you, they up. They don't share your video. They don't come for your video. They don't call you again. Waiting because you don't lash out for hotel. The day we want to call us, can't lash your wife not go work that day. You know. My story comes out of my 3 women. We say I want marry. You call me. Hey bros, how far? How you did it, Rona? How you doing? What did I want to do? How you don't know? Hey guy, you know where I get with all these people. This church where I did, and their prayer points. Then they come in, they collect advice from my hand. How you do? How you run now? Now the same they will come up for life because they insult me. People when they come for backyard after social media, they'll come for back. Hey God, this social media this life not balance. They'll come for back. They ask me, I tell you now. Now see one stay on before. Now see get so woman like this so. This one and also super like this. Now see, Now the husband say the husband so, but the husband break down the work. For the past 2 years, the husband never nothing the fuck him. I be want your help normal level. Bro, how far I did run? And you will come up for life, they call they insult me. And you will come for social media, call they insult me. When I walk the water. I never want to come out come saga now. I'll saga. And next year, but this year, a year of happiness, year of joy, year of enlargement. Because God will enlarge me every day. Everything na double. Everything na double. As I do like this now, I prefer to keep my success to myself, not to the strong social media, because many of them are not good. All those live video presenters, they be idiots. Many for inside. Only few. Nigeria okay for inside. West Wisdom, I must greet you. What for a bit. Only few. But so it is better you be yourself. Do your thing normally. Avoid these social media noise makers. If you need my help, I feel help. If I don't feel help, I'll charge you. No. Anything we want to do for you, Tangoni. If you not involved, not call my number. You want to do anything for your platform as presenter? Or gamma, then you not carry money come. To even log in your Facebook, you not give me 100,000. No, cannot do. That's what you'll be. And the kind of person will be down now. See me want to use my brain do free thing for Benin people for this abroad. Not they happen. It not they happen. Because nothing that they do for person for here for free. You know when you get problem for abroad here, now you gonna say you will get good heart, they do good for people. Nobody get good heart with you. Say you need help. They will ask you, Afa, I bring money come. This is what money come. If you don't get money, or you're for you. Or you're for you. Or you both ready to do help for you for free. Your fellow black will do it for you for free. Only few. And you know for the funniest part, the only people they assist you for this country. Na Igbo, people. Benin will never assist you for this country. Yak boyo. Osum damene. Now time, I go sit down, come narrate within SUP this year. Benin person. With me. I look, I look up, I laugh. You hear women? It can hear ana why. Where me ogi eh yao. It's over ma. It's over the bad so. Queen Okoro. Legna Queen Okoro na be name of YouTube. Queen Okoro TV. We official later. Queen Okoro. Spell Queen Okoro 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 TV. You understand? Osoro bono go ya ma. Wana manoro wa ya ma o. Ne manoro tin ga suhu, male no mo ma. Irumi go ne ma. Edi monicalo wa ina monicalo mutra monicabe wa gno salata. Tin suhu. The video na stop 50 minutes and not stop it. Continue to start for you give 50 minutes. You understand? Because cannot play a video of 3 hours. This video is 3 hours plus. Continue to chop this video, layer by layer. You feel me? You get what I'm saying? It's Charles well is. You know what I'm saying? Oh, don't play. I got your boy, yo. God. And this is my period. And this is my period. Somebody say, hey, Baba with this man. He be a car. I've said it time starting about on this platform, say, now what's I want to make you know, now you go know. Because some of you guys even knowing does not contribute to my life. It's better I know the people that are really mentally mature that I can feel careful like this corner say, Mama, see what you see, you say, you got no way, yeah. I know this one get sense. The way you come broadcast on media, where they will carry where they are flying, where they analyze them. Very soon I also copyright my video. Make I talk and clearly me on here. Very, very soon I will also copyright my videos. You understand? You get why? They look one eye. They use one eye. They look at it. They cannot do one. They don't want to speak. They can't do one. They cannot do one. They can't do what? I just look and first. I never decide. If I decide, I'll wear my platform with copyright. You understand? But I never decide. They see many people they copyright their videos. Only me and some other presenters never copyright their videos. Where many people they use their video, they cash cruise, they have fun, they enjoy themselves. I don't even know the value. You guys don't know the value of men. If I cease fire for media will quench. Una know now. 2 hours yesterday night, I do video till that yesterday night. I lost my bestie. I lost my best friend. Person that is very dear to me. Very, very dear to me. Very honest person. Person will say, you feel trust them with anything. No level. If you trust them with anything. Many women for this social media. Many women for this social media. I'm not going to know the guy physically. I don't know physically. As I put that picture there yesterday, some people with that guy don't help. Many people with that guy don't help. They call me, they shout, they cry. Many people did this abroad. Husband married them for us. Husband leave them, go marry another woman. But they're not going to fuck prick again. Because bride price did their heads. If they fuck prick, now adulterous. They go return bride price, go get the family. The family don't collect. They go return bride price, go give family for us. Family, yeah. They go to those when they come back from abroad. That's guy will die so. If you know the help we did for women for abroad here, when they go, never table when they go that time. All those women, all of them, their husband, their baby papa, all of them, they collect their bride price back. Many, they collect their bride price back. When they hit all these useless women adulterous, know how many women, when they matter call like this, they'll carry for they'll call them. You must say, "Eti waro na, since somebody past 8 years, I want to make or the family wobe bien ne. Me eti weka, you get friendly boy. Yeah, you go boy, and last. A preparation to return. You see bad family very bad again. Yeah, no worry. That papa will return. You want to return? I say yes. Leave up for me. Really, that papa, the family will move it. They will mark the mass. They will go there. They will collect the bride price. Those women, they are free. They are happy. Marcel, you know how many women for abroad? Go for UK. We don't help return bride price. Peacefully, family will collect bride price. When they will land there with squad, with soldiers, they will not say, my tell you, my family now. Now smile, ni at the go out of here who. Imagine the banana go away. What here the bride price become problem for our Benin people. What here the bride price okay problem war. here only here punish okoni okpe no wa we kia wa salo here okoni are bondage as evil as some of our men our family be okoni are bondage of here wa we kia here ori ko we le o beto ko okoni ka wa mu go yo hu here na me prepare wa bed so here kan yo tiyan jane allergy price normal okwe he do ri e o ha mu go nyan go a so but wow, listen to what people they're not going to act well. And then we go nyago. I'm with breakfast and breakfast. No one can go your home money to money. I do move in here. Always soon do. I'm a koya kosi. I was say from people will know say I'm good. People know my value. You know my value, and I respect them for that. I will be again. You know that thing. They will never like me. They will never like me. Son in the trolley. They can never like me. Because they can never like me. I don't know how to have it. I mean, Verona. No, we are to take care of to no one lady will not be one soon with the room. Or no basho. O ma biaju o first to the wembu igor no course o jalo me veruma mo ade na jira ya bo akoy o wo mo me e kitchen ama era je manda he o titi ado no wi o titi no sungu we le boro wa ikobo ekpini o ma mi unu wa la jen wa de go e feso titi ado gbera mo pa na pa ka ira mo picture we la dia then ya miss ya ready nu don't ya go picture like the boy. When you are here, Nigeria bus here. Everything about you. I don't hear no view here like you will know. We know what the world to do. You don't know where you are. When you know where you are, you will shout sorrow. I sorrow. You never know anything. For Roma, where they are. You are a small girl. Young, or fair. You low. What then when? My God, soon as some other young can I don't get anywhere. I mean, aware, you know, I'm also. Wow, I be again over. Whenever you send the trolley, you bashaw. You have be again your country for them. What do I like to like? Do I see you second with baby? You are baby. When you're not seeing you second with baby, let me read for you. Sit down carefully. What to tell you? Total. And yet, I would read half. I also want to talk about end the finish. You don't finish it. This is Willis. We're going to do I want to read for you now from the. This is a straight message directly from the palace to me to broadcast. Then you are here half. I also want you. We don't see you. So don't see it careful. Nonsense, people. Very anyhow, women. Let me forward the message through to this WhatsApp first. Kuweke mila kino mila no. Emila no kiko anu anu wa baby. We fa na do wa na ko. Wa na le bi wa na wa. Let me just send some little killing at you, because woman water. We are not in the same category, that's true. What do you take here? Total. Today's what? Today should be third on the first. To do dum dum dum. To do dum dum dum. To do dum 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 dum. To do dum dum dum. Today's third, yes. It was on the second. I know that. Yesterday evening. Now listen. Yeah, when we are at Talo. I believe you know this is from the palace. So, je te nous y est. And now let me read from the beginning. Here you see the way you ya to boy ya tie. Boy ya gwa lo you do no careful. Yeah, what is the main point in the run? You do no careful. This is Benin Traditional Council, Oba Palace, Benin City. Iwani hona, iwani nyegbena kede. Wani yedu no edo wa danyo. Public notice. Omonoba Nedo Annual Festival 2022-2024 program. Annual Festival, which is what? Igwe Festival 2024. This was written on the 2nd of December 2024. Yeah, zoom and make now. You know what we want to do. 2nd of December 2024. Allez, also. Benin Traditional Council, you see. Okay. It is hereby notified for the information of the general public that the Omonobanedo Okwa Bolokbolo LY second Oba of Benin will be celebrating this year festival in accordance with the following program. But you understand me now? Sit down very carefully and hear carefully. Because you are not judge. You are a bomb fool. Stretch man, your brain. You don't get sense. It will be Australian goods. You understand? Events, then dates. Number 1, December 14. It starts on December 14. December 14 is a Keneka, which was on Saturday. On Saturday, that is when the program starts. Utuo Gyoroba, all chiefs comes to pay homage to the Oba of Benin. That is on December 14. December 14. All chiefs come to the palace to pay homage, to come and pay greetings to the palace, to the Oba of Benin. December 15. That was how. Omilano Omilekia. Listen. I don't think they say this one be not Zua when I ask you why. December 15, Agbado, Sunday. That day is free day. No activities that day. December 16, Eken, Monday. Na free day, a day. December 17, Ekioba, Tuesday. Ugioba, all eligible chiefs come in ceremonial dance procession with the Eben. You see, I have the trebe, so all those chiefs they will come on the trebe for palace. You understand? Now what's going to happen that day, which is what? December 17. December 18, Ekenaka Wednesday. That day na free day. December 19, Agbado Thursday na still free day. December 20, Eken Ugiron. That's that day. December 21st, Ekioba Utwigwe Oroba. All chiefs come to pay homage to the Oba that very day. Time. All the time, this one 3 p.m., 3 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., just at 2 p.m. So time, they put time there. You understand me now? That was December 21st. So that was 9. That's 8. 9. That is why I say, can continue. Why didn't I give away information? From there, continue. It ended 20. When we can end, it's 9:10. Okay. It ended 20. 1916. 16 December 30th. Ikenaka. Igwewai. Ceremony of being Ewari. Blessing to all homes. So Sarota's home. That's the last show. The Palace Benin City, December 21st. So guys, the rest one. You know Ochichekia, Omelekia, I be again will be my Onokumagian big billager. On the Tino came, man. I read and reach 8. When I read 1917. When I change 1917. I believe what post there. No be mugu. Now because of those now, this Wahala saga, and I want to bring out many things we see. They come directly from our house on social media. You understand? I want to bring them out from social media because they read them. But definitely it's been said to me. I can broadcast it on social media. You understand? On the 9 a free day. On the 9 a Ekenaka free day. On the 10 Agbado. Igwaba. You understand? Igwe. Oba. All eligible chiefs attends a ceremony, dance, progress with event. That day, Igwaba. December 24, Iken a free day. December 25, Ekioba na free day. December 26, Ekenaka na free day. December 27, Agbado. Ugie Imoba. All chiefs and palace functionaries to be in attendance at Emibo. Igwe Ivioba to feast their own time for Igwe that evening too. Okay, that's not Igwe day for about children, all the children. December 28th, Eken on free day. The day Kenny. December 29, Yakewa Sunday. Igwe do here. Igwe do here. This is the day all Edo's people perform their individual worship in their homes, which is December 29. Now that will be the general Igwe festival for the whole Edo, all Edo's sons and daughter. Anywhere you do for abroad or for your house. See, when I go buy me run. I'll come to drop my account here now. You love me. I want to do my own Igwe. I'm not doing it. I can do Igwe. Yeah, man. You got the Igwe me here. You got Rowe me here. You head on me here. You cannot be watching me like this. You have to go. We're living on the talk, they laugh. See, all of them, when I today money, I want to buy a ramen. Short, I want to buy a ramen plus a cow. Like me, be like going as we are not you we have a boo. You plan against day. At the end of the day, you might think born. Like you be like go. Yes, now. If I thought this man, I will look man, I will promise peace. I'm not going to speak and support me. This year now, I'm supposed to be happy, say, I did alive. To say, I see you come, I see you pointing me, I buy. But I'm not see about the smile and wash again. No, I'm not see me the wash again. I already done finished. Because my lovely fan, I'm already done finished. I won't do one cannot New Year. I won't do one New Year on your magnum. You understand? To say the whole poison me not back, I'm going to see you this boy. Listen, so when I buy me or nice about €7. I don't ask them for Nigeria. I'm for the cost. I'm not the same with the key. I'm not sure when they come again. You understand? Mayor, Yawo, me, Yaun, Bobby Backers, books and I organize my own man. We are doing. I'll do my wife and I'll do my own. Or I know I'm a couple of women got maybe Gorome, give me. Ganyebo, you know Yawo, whom, well, Gumaguna, Supuna, Gumiama, Upona, Eddie Oku, Upona, Agbona, man. If you are Nicola, not of that's a ball. Woman, Gumiama, one husband who was there. A woman cannot go to Hanamu. Allow that Hamia. When the Gumiama, one husband of Kel, Guawanye, Awanye, Guawanye. Now, let's see potting coconuts, cola, orome. Add water, Jonah. Clean water. Understand? Women go marry Guawanye. Women go baby Guawanye. Women ganyebu Guawanye. Women orome Guawanye. You do Yahweh Guawanye. Agume Guawanye. Ugumi Amahian Guawanye. Agam woman Guawanye. Agam woman Guawanye. Agisaka who Guawanye. Agisaka mo Guawanye. Agisaka who Guawanye. Idala Jamie Guawanye. Awanye Guawanye. Ya bebu ya o ya see e wona woni ya mo gbe ya bebu ya wa ya so bo kwebu ewe de na ewe ramedi ebo give money today is Nigeriano festival been a festival many years igwa Italy Nigeriano festival ewe de na ewe what's ewe de na ewe is Benin tradition capito tu no capisci italiano eu não capisci italiano, tu não fala italiano bene. Oh, this is every day, you know what I'm saying? You don't have to cut every for people. You put it on your head, you have blessing. Oh no, no lo so. Wherever non lo so. Bene metala, ogni mano, o mai metala, lo fia di un anno dopo. Cosa? €1, dammi €1, io give you away. They give you away, dammi €1. Voilà. You know, that day I'll put up a live video. Una go laugh ya. You can be. You might be where. I'm fuck. Oh, how make you okay, Ujo. Kevi. Oh yeah. Yakba. When they can't have you like those kind of funny things. They don't know it's not tradition. They will say like juke they play. I say, Kevi, Adiamo. Ivan, Adiamo. Let's go and where. Cause I we. You know, but I make right. Every other you cook biaka. I it's tradition. I'm a joko. It's tradition. Anywhere I see Benin people dey. Me la wani. Everywhere dey. I museme. Man, ma kenle o. I kenle. Ma ya tu man. Wa kan ze ya mi me. Ni ya to ma bini yo. Ngata conversation ni ya ni yo bini yo. Ni yo. Na yo bani ai. Eri ba ni ma ya ti yo wa. Wonderful. Ikebe ga cheda fun me wo yo to yan ya kin le ba. Ba, o ti lọ. You don go. Nto no. E ga gbo lo da fo pa. Awon san. Na ga de na ya kin le. Ni ya kin le ni ya kin le. You understand me now? So bilekia we ti akere that because wa gun wa wo gun mi leke wa gun awa yin wa gun. Then on the 30th Ekenaka Igwe where that is everywhere the everywhere that made Igwe where after just now. When I say Igwe where that na be Igwe where. You understand? That was on the 30th. December 30th. Nabi Wahala Dey. Where no yo where no yo. Go there we whatever no go there whatever no there we whatever. Yeah where girl man go. Where no yo yeah where girl man go. Where no yo Wahala Dey. Wahala Dey. Where around. Understand now? Okiaki odi bokia kiaza. Okiaki odi bokia kiaza. Okiaki odi bokia kiaza. Okiaki odi bokia kiaza. Ofire no, enamoga una. Ofire ne, enamoga una. Ofire no, enamoga una. Ma gbegbe egberi maredo. Me mo sendi. Mi meredo me mare ne wa. Me biene. O yo pa. E je lo ni ma wa le, mo wa kin le. E lo di me mo e ma wa ro to wa boya jai. A bad guy. You ma me care, you gbogbo me. Awa gbegbe na wa ro le gan. My you my one mo wa jo. I we am ga big boy no ba go ya re boy yo. Mama mo to. E we ni ma ga gbe. Ke ngaro. Ma gbe yo go bi ogwe. Okay, big boy ga no my guy. That is if you have money kede o I can na wa you we here. You know I feel C class. Akpolo wa C class wa fi. I'm C class wa gege be. Wa gege be. E be you C class. Ke big guy ke forget. Easy. We go community. Ai why ai. Was I so senior my chairman wa pack money buy. Was wa every day there we patore pa ye go aya won my ze pe get man say aboki shut up in my there. You don't know us today worry. Tell a person we dey outside we dey dance. Bidi pop the radio. Last like us know how I drop it to 20k. B. 20k wa draw. Can't be a can't be a vanima. Can't be a carton. To be able to frank again with you movement to young no level. And they can be in the community. The different community share my house now you go. Everywhere sweet for Benin if you get money. That is sweet now. You go know the big man house you want go. One drive something bogus if I go count down how far if I figure your pa drop it worry you want bodo you to book oh yeah. My pa ah gbe lega where to go to oh boy. Where me get me land. Oh Nigeria too sweet sharp for real. All these bags boost now this gbina I don't come make am sweet. All these cultists. Not come and sweet. That country too goes sweet too. Here is about now. Men go cash out well for this is about. Well now I want to cash out. Gbina. I saw boy come na hon gbewe okpa. I want to say black ass. I will not buy say bluebird. I will not buy say man fight. You know what I don't come. And I'm happiness before problem is. So that kind of thing. The money change. I feel you system as we make now. I agree to now. What right there. Let's continue reading. I mean we still get to read. We end at number 9, okay, number 17. That was a gateway. Okay, that's the end. After gateway engagement, maybe feast for any free day in which this announcement will be made. Okay, you understand? Number 19. That's on the 30th. That's the end. So, omileke na roha. Omileke omiluhi. Omileke omiluhi. Omileke kwa na gogodo. Moneke wa evo mayahino. Oh, I thought right there. I said, say no to adulterous. That's what I stand for. Say no to adulterous. If you don't know what can you listen? Why are they here now? This is the traditional council of Benin. Now the press release, and their press release with that one for the upcoming event that's going to be happening in Edo State this year, till December 30th. So have in mind, December 29 is the General Igwe Festival Day for all the sons and daughters of Edo all over the world. They don't even do Igwe. You understand? So if you be papa, you be mama, you don't know the day. I don't talk enough for social media. I make you hear. Share this video to your family. December 29, that be Igwe Festival Day. December 30th, that be the day where I be where. You understand? I will be here for. I be where. I we are doing. Ubi I will be here for. I we are doing. December 29, I will go. I don't know the even anyebo aya uhune gwanwenye wakoko gwanwenye gadigomyo he gwanwenye garogomyo he gwanwenye anwenye gwanwenye atini we awe huna mu aya tsa wọ́n á sa wọ́n kókó gu àwọn yẹn wọ́n gba àwọn yẹn wọ́n fi gu àwọn yẹn rẹ́rẹ́ gu àwọn yẹn nítorí àwọn gu àwọn yẹn ó kí wọ́n máa gbé gu àwọn yẹn ó kí wọ́n máa mú gu àwọn yẹn wọ́n á fọ ẹgbẹ́ gu àwọn yẹn wọ́n á lè kẹ́ ìwé bílẹ̀ gu àwọn yẹn wọ́n á fọ́lẹ́ kẹ́ gu àwọn yẹn wọ́n á gu àwọn yẹn gu àwọn yẹn àìwẹ́nì òwú yẹ fi àìlùbí àyàlùbí fọ àyíkádàfọ̀ yẹ bẹ́wẹ́ yà dé èdè màá yà bẹ́ẹ̀ máa dé ẹ̀kẹ́ máa dé gbẹ́gẹ́ ẹ̀zẹ̀ máa yóò asọ́n ni màá yẹ zẹ́ ni ẹ̀ta gbẹ́wẹ́ yẹ ní tó awa yeze ni ya gia gebeni ayubi ni ya vi palo ayubi ni ya wa le yeze o eze magana ya filo o ni fa obiri ni eze magana afile kwa ha file kwa pese ma gagio agagi ebe ewe ri ewe people na enya na gagi biga na ebe we wa gege van ma ke gbedi o do ni ma ke gbedi adu davon la wa village si a gbehian jagibi eso so fian so o la re mi wo na adu fian so ya gbe egwe ni isange a ya gbe iregwe ni oyina ri enwe o so sakara do spread du wa fian gbe fu wolo no bu o fi pa o fian no ya gbe egwe de ni mo ya gbe gbe ni enu onu fi we na obi ko no àwọn ya hono la wanera 50 kobo wan ay wan kobo ga no gani kobo ga e nara kobo ba ga lo gani wa ho na bi no bi yepo ni mo ya ro ay so wona gbe we fi na no sigo ni koko odo ga go ni sigo ni bi sigbe na sef listen e nya do e ya ni mo ya follow but right now e boy na big boy eki ewe bu na dia mi bu do e yo ve let me yo three guys ewe bu na mo mi bu ya e mo te gbigga ni te gbe ewe Nigeria na etinya do word etinya do be for flat do ya fi ya do e ya yi mutla yo police ya inform Louis check your Louis ayi wa te gbigbi ni te gbigga yi gboro de gbe dibo igwe e ya redo ya we Louis na ikwe mu na yiro sister i want 50 euro you was kwa bi when my boss you go what to do mo wan best pa mo de wa gbi mo to wa de kan digba brother you na o seri even no boy even the Nigeria is lazy youth yen na muna me ka testify with my own like me like as I dey mama want anybody obo as I dey talk now let me wan be for my full family now let me wan abroad mama anybody obo